size, that's about the size. Of course, you're not getting your wood split in a factory, so it's going to be very hard to get exact sizes. So sometimes they're a little shorter and thicker, right? And then, this one is about the same length, a little bit thicker. What you're going to get is slight fluctuations in your temperature. That's why you do not try to run at a specific temp. You try to maintain a range. If you have a 25-degree range in which you want to stay for your cooking on the offset, then that's good. You might go over, you might go under. But just understand that when you're running the offset, don't try to look for perfection. There's no dial to set. So, about the wood size, that's about it.